Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how I took this vase, which I've had for quite some time, and flipped it into a Pottery barn inspired vessel to hold some faux flowers that I created. First, I spray painted the vase off camera using Rust-Oleum's 2X paint and primer in the color gloss black. You can use a different finish, but it's just what I had on hand. And here's where the fun began. I used some black acrylic paint that I got from a $5 kit from Five Below. And you see me placing it into a container, and I'm mixing it with the white acrylic paint from the same kit. I believe it had like five different colors. They were base primary colors, so wanted to keep this as inexpensive as possible. I then added some leftover bare sample paint in the color oatmeal. No real measurement, just until I got the color that I actually wanted to apply to the vase. Once again, Five Below came through with the paint brushes, yay. And here I am, I'm painting the color that I really achieved over the black spray painted vase. And I'm doing it in a just kind of a streaky motion because I kind of want a little bit of the black maybe to show through, and you know, I did 2 coats. So now I had some sticks that I had from a previous project, and I also had some flowers from a previous project. So I decided to marry the two, and to do that I'm pulling off the petals from the flowers, and I'm going to use these to hot glue to the sticks. Now some more fun. I'm taking the hot glue gun and strategically placing it on the stick so that I can add the faux flower petal that I pulled off from the previous stem. Guys, be careful. This was no fun. I think I got burnt. My fingers got burnt several times. So then I just found another spot to glue the next petal, and I kind of went in, you know, I kind of spaced it out a little bit. Because I didn't want the petals to be, you know, stuck together. I wanted like a minimal look with the whole thing. And here is the completed vase and the flower stems. Thanks for watching.